guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Blissful Reels. Today we are preparing patty melt sandwich. So let's do it. First of all, thinly slice the onions and then throw in some ghee on a kadai or a saucepan. Add the onions and stir briefly. The important thing here is to cook them under medium heat. We have to caramelize these onions. This brings out the sugars, making them taste awesome. Add a pinch of salt to taste them better. Be sure to cook them nice and slow until you have a nice golden color, just like this. This is the mixture of salt and pepper powder, which will be sprinkled on top of the patty while cooking them. Now we are preparing the sauce combination. So for that, add 3 tablespoons of mayo, then mustard sauce, and then finally the ketchup. You can add them according to your taste. Divide the minced beef into required portions. Preheat the cast iron skillet to high heat and add 2 tablespoons of ghee or butter. With the portions divided, form patties using our hands and place them on the skillet. Now sprinkle the mixture of salt and pepper on top of these patties. Cook until the crust that forms on the bottom of the patty releases it from the pan. Usually it takes about 2 to 3 minutes. When this lifts up easily, Flip and cook on the other side for another 2 to 3 minutes. And do not forget to sprinkle the mixture of salt and pepper on the other side too. Now place a slice of cheese on top of the patties. Now it's time to toast our bread for the sandwich. Apply butter on one side of the bread and place them on the preheated pan. So now let's assemble the patty melts. Spread some sauce on both slices of bread for each sandwich. Now add a patty on top of the bread. And finally top with caramelized onion. So finally our tasty and delicious patty melt sandwich is ready. Now let's make another one without the sauces. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye until we see next time.